Alright, let's see if I can get a video of a project I've been working on for several months. Some of my radio friends have been talking to, wanted me to do a walk around video. 1972 Toyota Land Cruiser FJ40. Bought it when it was about 1 year old. Bought it in 1973. Had 10,000 miles on it. Drove it up until about 1991. When it was parked, it had 87,000 miles on it. And it got parked because the clutch failed. The slave cylinder, has a hydraulic slave cylinder, failed. Life was happening, and didn't have time to work on it. Had too many vehicles on the road anyhow. So it got put in a building, fairly good climate for what, about 28 years or so. And anyhow, got motivated to start working on it. Got the clutch going, got it running. Went through a slow process of checking the engine out with the help of my friend KP2AE. Is very familiar with these vehicles. He worked on them in Africa. A lot of I guess the late '60 models. Anyhow, so far so good. Got farther along with the project than I expected without any help. Got it running. Headed up to 20 miles an hour up and down the driveway. So the big problem now is the brakes. Don't have very good brakes. Let's see if I can get the hood up here with one arm. It's a 237 cubic inch 6, pretty much the same block as a 235 Chevy. Matter of fact, the story is that the block was purchased from General Motors, and it just about looks true because I have a 1961 Chevy truck right here that has a 235 6-cylinder in it that it has same mold markings on the block. Okay, what else? I guess I can open the door here. The interior is in fair shape. The driver's seat, of course, is in the worst shape, got the most use. Got some rust in the floorboard, but not too bad. The dash looks fairly good. All the gauges are working. I was kind of worried about the oil pressure gauge. It didn't seem to initially work, but picked it up with air compressor and exercised it, put an ohm meter on it, and it started working. All right, I guess that's about a wrap up on it right now. So I'm going to put it in the building and start the process of working on the brakes. Thanks for watching.